Hey everybody, Taylor with KC here, and in this video, we're gonna cover everything that you need to know about the new Titan lights. The Titan lights are the headliner for the entire Gravity series family of lights here at KC. All of the lights in the Gravity family use a core right in the center of them that hold the LEDs and aim them backwards. What that results in is a very clean, precise beam that's also fairly energy efficient, really resulting in us putting the light exactly where we want that light to be downrange. The Titan lights feature a new evolved version of that gravity reflective diode core, which is a patented technology by us. So before we get too much into the details on the features of the Titan lights, it's important to know that the Titan lights, as you can see here on the table, are available in two different configurations. The first configuration is the single or the auxiliary lights. These are perfect for bumpers, A-pillars, things like that. We've got a few different beam patterns of those. Then the next configuration is in the light bar form. They both use the same optics in the center. One's just single standalone bottom mount light. The next is light bar, typical, and mounts. The light bars for the Titans are available in 3 lights all the way up to 9 lights, which is 57 inches. So you can really fine tune it, whether it's going on your Jeep, your Bronco, your Raptor, even your brand new Pro R UTV or something along those lines. So again, Titan light bars, great for bumpers and overhead applications. With that being said, let's get into some of the features of the new Titan lights because these are packed with tons of innovation and a lot of new stuff for the Gravity family. So the first feature to cover, I think we should go back to that core. I mentioned that core is now evolved from what is known as the Pro6 lights right now. The Pro6s feature 2 LEDs per core, so it's a really energy efficient light. The Titans now feature a new core that has 3 LEDs per light. Not only does it have 3 LEDs per light, but it also gave us extra space to be able to mount 3 amber LEDs per light. So these lights technically have 2 modes. The first mode is the typical, what you'd expect, high power output mode, white LEDs, really bright, lights up the trail, everything that you need to see. The next mode is an amber light. So that amber light is more than an amber backlight. We're almost calling it like a forward-facing dust light. It's got a really nice, cool aesthetic and a look to it, but it's also powerful enough that people can see you coming through the dust or on the trail. So it's a really nice new feature, the amber mode. So that's what the new core is. Technically, we're calling it the Titan core. That's why we're like, hey, let's just name the whole light the Titan light. So that's one of the big features of it. What that results in is a much bigger and a much brighter illumination zone compared to the Pro6. So these lights not only have a fuller beam pattern, it's got a lot more lower fill. We pretty much dedicated that extra LED to entirely filling out the lower portion of the illumination zone, but it's also brighter throughout the entire beam pattern than the Pro6s. So it's really nice output, game-changing illumination from us here at KC. One of the other cool elements of this is, if you flip around, all of the Titan lights now feature moisture block technology. So you can see that this is a little panel mount connector. The panel mount connector allows the connector for the wiring harness to plug directly into the back of the lights. So what that does is ensure a really secure, powerful electrical connection while also keeping all the bad stuff out, right? Keeps the water, the dust, oils, grease, all that kind of stuff out of the light and maintaining a strong electrical connection. So that is the moisture block technology. Now, there is, real quick before, just as a side note, there are a lot more features that are specific to both the single lights and then separate features specific to the light bar. So we've got some videos separated for those, dedicated unboxing videos for the light bar. If you're interested in learning more about light bar, you know you want to run something overhead, you're gonna wanna click the link up here in the card or in the description down below. Separately, if you know you want something for your front bumper, Or if you want it for your A-pillar, we're gonna do an unboxing video. We've got an unboxing video for the single lights as well. So those are some of the new features that we've added to the Titan lights, but there's also some similarities to the roots of this light, which is the Pro6. We have kept, on the light bar version, we've kept the frame or the skeleton, which we call the infinity ring system. We've kept that the exact same. So it's the same 6-inch light, same lengths, all that kind of stuff. So that's a really nice feature of it. With that comes the ability to use all of the same accessories for Pro6 on Titan as well. So all the covers, all of the shields, all that good stuff still works, whether it's light bar form or in the single light form. So with that being said, that's the main features of the Gravity Titan lights, the new headliner for the entire Gravity family. These things are a huge revolution for us. They've been 5+ years in the making, so we're very excited about them. So with that being said, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about these lights, please leave them in the comment section below, or check out some of the links. It'll take you to the family landing page, or to take you to the separate unboxing videos for the light bar, the single lights, all that good stuff. Thank you again for tuning in, and remember to adventure further.